Deep in the Nevada desert lies Area 51, a blank spot on the map, but a hot spot in our imagination. Stories swirl crashed UFOs, secret labs, and alien autopsies. The government's silence only fuels the fire. For years they wouldn't even admit the base existed. In that vacuum, we filled the void with our wildest hopes and fears. Area 51 became the symbol of the unknown, a place where the impossible might just be real. Are there aliens, secret spacecraft, or something even stranger? The allure isn't just about what's hidden, but why it's hidden. We're drawn to the mystery because it challenges what we think we know. The legend endures, not just as a question of what's inside, but as a mirror for our own curiosity. But maybe the real secret isn't inside at all. Step outside the base, and you're met with a different kind of secret: silence. The desert around Area 51 is vast, empty, and eerily quiet. No traffic, no voices, just a manufactured stillness that feels like it's watching you. This emptiness isn't accidental. It's the first layer of security. Visitors report the same sensation: being monitored, tracked, even when no one is visible. The silence is a tool, creating an atmosphere of isolation and control. Here, secrecy isn't just about hiding things, it's about making you feel unwelcome, out of place. The real mystery shifts. It's not just what's hidden, but how it's hidden. The desert itself becomes a barrier, a psychological fence. The emptiness is the message you don't belong here. The true secret is the power of that silence. Get closer, and the invisible security becomes real. No guard towers, no patrols, just warning signs and hidden tech. Cameras, sensors, and microphones are camouflaged in the rocks and brush, tracking every move. Then come the camo dudes, unmarked trucks, silent watchers who appear without warning. They don't speak or engage. Their presence alone is enough. This is psychological warfare. You're seen, you're known, and you're not welcome. The base's security is layered and invisible, making the entire desert feel off-limits. Before you reach a fence, you've already been identified and assessed. Area 51 doesn't need walls. Its perimeter is everywhere. The unseen guardians make sure no one gets close by accident. Here, the rules are different, and you're reminded of that at every step. Eventually, you reach the invisible boundary, sometimes just a line of orange posts in the sand. No fence, no wall, but cross it and everything changes. Surveillance turns to swift enforcement. Camo dudes swarm, vehicles block your retreat. These aren't local cops, they're federal agents, with the power to detain, search, and confiscate. Trespassing here is a federal crime, with heavy fines and possible jail time. The response is overwhelming, designed to make an example of anyone who crosses. The real fence isn't physical, it's psychological. The threat of consequences is enough to keep most people away. This invisible line is the ultimate symbol of secrecy and control. At Area 51, the fear of crossing is the strongest barrier of all. So what's really behind all this secrecy? Area 51 is a test site for America's most advanced aircraft. The U-2 spy plane, SR-71 Blackbird, and F-117 Nighthawk were all born here. The remote desert offers isolation, perfect runways, and natural barriers. Engineers and pilots push the limits of technology, hidden from the world. Secrecy is vital. These projects are worth billions and could tip the balance of power. Many UFO sightings were actually glimpses of these secret test flights. The aliens? They were us. Flying machines decades ahead of their time. The truth is stranger, and perhaps more impressive than the myths. But why the theatrics? Why let the alien myths persist? Secrecy isn't just about protection, it's about deterrence. The legends create a smokescreen, distracting from the real work of weapons development. Myths keep curiosity at bay, while the real secrets stay hidden. Extreme security, invisible guardians, and harsh penalties all serve to isolate the base. The emptiness and fear are not byproducts, they're the main tools of secrecy. The greatest mystery isn't what's inside, but the act of hiding itself. Area 51's true power is projected outward, in the silence, the watchers, and the invisible line. The real secret is the perfectly engineered emptiness that keeps the world at bay. Sometimes, the most powerful thing is what you can't see at all.